This is Sterling Mead with Discover Nayarit. I'm sitting here this morning with Tim Steves, captain and owner of RealHotCharters.com, based in the Puerto Vallarta, Punta Mita area. Tim, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I've been fishing professionally for several years now, both on the East Coast and West Coast of the United States. Fished many tournaments in Cabo, East Cape, and here in Puerto Vallarta. A few years ago, I came to Punta Mita and fell in love with the fishing here on Banderas Bay and offshore, and decided to make it my home and started the charter fishing business, and love it down here.
About fishing in the Puerto Vallarta, Punta Mita area?
Well, as you know, the Banderas Bay is one of the largest bays in the world and has some of the best fishing in the world also. We catch a lot of marlin, sailfish, dorado, wahoo, and many other fish, both in and around Banderas Bay.
Good job.
Hey. We're going out at first light this morning. We're excited. Tell us a little about what we can expect.
Well, today we're going to head for the Corbatania Bank, which is 21 miles from Punta Mita, outside the Banderas Bay area. And we're going to target marlin, sailfish, dorado, and giant yellowfin tuna today. That's what we can expect.
I think that was one of the most funnest experiences I've had in a long time.
It got you going, huh?
It got me going.
Yeah, would you advise everyone to have fun like that?
Absolutely.
Anything else you got to say?
I want a marlin next.
Nice little dorado that we got. Cynthia hauled it in like a pro, didn't you?
I did.
At least a dozen 200 plus tuna on this bank right here alone.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, there's some big tuna here.
Okay, Darcy's got a live one here.
All right.
He's bringing in a dorado. Good job, Darcy. Yeah, good girl. Bring it on in.
Dorado!
I'm so excited. I caught my first dorado.
All right. Yeah.
Let's switch boats.
We have a fleet of 3 sport fishers here in Punta Mita. I captain a 38-foot Bertram fly bridge sport fish, and we also have 2 brand new 28-foot super pongas with new state-of-the-art Evinrude angles.
Kim, if somebody wanted to book a charter, how do they get a hold of you?
Really simple. All you have to do is go on the internet to RealHotCharters.com, pull it up, and it's all self-explanatory. It gives you all the information you need to make reservations to go sport fishing.
If someone had a few additional questions, can they call you personally?
Absolutely. They can reach me by phone or they can reach me by email anytime.
Do you have a policy for billfish here in Bay Banderas?
Yeah, we sponsor catch and release for all the billfish that we hook up, and most people like that.
You told us about the great general sport fishing here. Is there a specific fish people come here for?
Sterling, I have to say the most sought-after game fish is the giant yellowfin tuna. These tuna can exceed 350 pounds here, and it's a trophy fish for most people.
What's the most frequently asked question you get?
Are we going to catch fish today?
Are we?
Always.